Hey guys, in this video I'm going to run you through how to create a new account with Bluehost. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first need to do is head on over to bluehost.com. So this is the official website of Bluehost. So with Bluehost, you can easily host and design and launch a professional website in minutes. So in order to create an account, what you want to do is go ahead and click on Get Started. I'll leave a link in the description of this video below for discounts as well on plans. So from there, go ahead and click on Get Started. And now you got to pick the right plan for your hosting needs. So you can see they've got 4 different plans here. So you got your basic, your choice plus, your online store, or pro. So I suggest have a read of whichever one that you want to go with. And if you look under choose plan, they got all the different features. So your basic plan has not as many features as your pro plan. So yeah, just have a read through which one best suits your needs. And you can also click on more features as well. All of these plans do offer 30-day money-back guarantees, free domain for your first year, and also a pro email with free SSL and a free CDN on each of these plans as well. Alright, so once you've picked out your plan, so for this one here, I'm going to click on the Choice Plus. So go ahead and click on Choose Plan. Then you'll be brought to this page here. So make a name for your website, literally. So your domain helps people find your online and makes a first impression. Find one that represents you perfectly. So you can search for a new domain here, or you can use, I want to use a domain I already own. You can also add private registration for 1 free year as well. So what private registration is, if we click onto it, so avoid spam and stay protected. So domain privacy hides your information, so you are protected online. So your personal information will be listed in the public whois database for anyone to search and view. But if you're protected, your personal information remains private, and protected is added to your website to help prevent against risks or attacks. So it's up to you which one you want to choose. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click choose a domain later. So now this is going to send me to the checkout. Alright, so as you can see in the cart, depending what you got, so if you got 1 year, you can do monthly. Or if you do 3 years, the longer you get hosting for, the more discounts you will get as well. And then from here, go ahead and click on continue to checkout. And then you want to fill out all of this information here, your contact information. And then keep scrolling down. You need to add a password that will be used to access your account. So filling out all of this will create your account at the same time. And then you want to choose a payment method. So you can choose credit card, PayPal. So they're the only 2, credit card, Visa card, Discover, JCB, and MasterCard. Only got 2 options here. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on Submit Payment. Also, if you made any mistakes or if you want to change anything, you can also edit cart here. And if you got any promo codes, go ahead and add a promo code to bring that total down as well.